how to deactivate Instagram without waiting for a week. So if you don't want to wait for a week before again deactivating your Instagram, then there is a way. What you can do is you can open up your Instagram and go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go for the upper right corner, which has that three dot icon. Go for settings and privacy, and then go for account center, and go for personal details, and then account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, and then choose Instagram. And here let me tell you one thing, that if you have already deactivated your account, then within a week you can't deactivate it again. So if you want to deactivate it again, then you will have a single way. What you can do is you can simply delete your account, and after deleting your account, you have to log back in within a week. And after deleting your account, you have to log back into your account within a month. Because if you have not logged in within a month, then your account will be permanently deleted. But if you logged in, then your account will be activated. So if you delete your account will be deactivated for a month, and then it will automatically delete or permanently delete if you don't log in. So the next step or the next only way you want to deactivate your account is by deleting your account temporarily. So delete and then continue, and choose reason, and then continue, and then enter your password, and your account will be deleted. But it won't be deleted permanently, it will be deactivated for 30 days. But if you don't log in back to your account, then your account will be deleted. So make sure to log into your account within a month. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.